this is Brenda desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Cambodia. I'll be trying a recipe for Sankhya Lapov, also known as pumpkin custard. So let's get started. To start, we're gonna make a square hole on top of the pumpkin. So once you manage to cut a piece on top of it, now there's seeds in it, so you want to scrape all that out. So once you have all the seeds out, it's nice and clean inside. Now I'm just gonna wash this with water real quick. Now it's time to make the filling for the pumpkins. I got 1 can of coconut milk, six eggs, pandan leaves. Got a few in there. Palm sugar, at least 300 grams. Lay those in there. And a pinch of salt. I just want to mix this together. Wait till my palm sugar dissolves. So I got my ingredients already mixed up. My palm sugar took forever to dissolve, so I kind of took the big pieces and grated them to be faster. If I did that wrong, let me know in the comments below. I never worked with palm sugar before, so if there's a better way, please let me know. Comment below. Now I'm just gonna strain this into a cup. So once you strain it into like a cup, now you grab your pumpkin and just fill it up. So I got my double boiler going on my steamer. So I'm just gonna put the pumpkin right in. And it's gonna steam for at least 1 hour. My pumpkin has finished cooking. It took an hour in the steamer, so I'm just gonna take it out now and let it cool down so we could have a piece. Okay, time to cut a piece. I didn't think I feel it high enough, but If you guys are making it, make sure you fill it all the way to the top of the pumpkin. I didn't, obviously. Time for a taste test. This was a different dessert. I never had dessert like this. The custard came out really good. It was really delicious. Didn't care for the pumpkin part. Easy recipe to make. Only a few ingredients. And you'll easily get these ingredients from an Asian market. I give this recipe maybe 8 out of 10. So I hope you guys try it, and if you do, let me know. Comment below. Like always, see you guys in my next donation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.